Welcome back to the morning update. It is Monday, November 3rd, 2025. And would you be surprised to learn that the problem with the shutdown and what the Democrats want isn't as big of a deal as you'd think? It's really not about rescuing health care. It's about making sure that a handful of Democrat states don't have to charge their own residents to give that health care to illegal aliens. Yeah, baby. From Dr. Oz on X, earlier this year, the CMS team began auditing state Medicaid programs to ensure they were following the law and not spending any federal tax dollars on illegal immigrants outside of emergency Medicaid. What we found was shocking. In a preliminary review of 6 states, we found these states improperly using federal tax dollars for their allegedly state-funded program and providing coverage to individuals, including some with criminal records of murder and assault. California, $1 billion. Imagine that. Washington, D.C., Illinois, Washington, Colorado, and Oregon are all on this list. Dr. Oz says we've notified the states, and many have begun refunding the money, but what if we had never asked? Well, he clearly states that if they're refunding the money, they must have been using it illegally. Therefore, it is illegal. And yet Congress and the Democrats in the U.S. Senate are holding the nation hostage to fund it. And we know this is true because back in May, from Newsweek, a reliably right-wing organization, 14 states offering health coverage to undocumented immigrants. This is from May 28, 2025. 14 states, most of which are Democrat-led, would see the federal Medicaid matching rate for the Affordable Care Act. This is in the big, beautiful bill. This is what the Democrats want to overturn. They would see the expansion in their states cut from 90% to 80%, ramping up how much they would have to pay to run their service. That means they, the state, would have to fill in the difference if they wanted to give that coverage to illegal aliens. 14 states, yes. Washington, Oregon, California, Utah, Colorado, Minnesota, Illinois, New York, Vermont, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Maine. The only Republican-run state is Utah. They are all giving health care coverage to illegal aliens at your expense, and Democrats in the Senate want all of America to pay for that so that those states who want to give that coverage to them don't have to charge their own residents for the privilege. Back to Dr. Oz. The truth is that federal law is supposed to prohibit federal Medicaid dollars broadly from being used to cover illegal immigrants. It does permit states to use Medicaid dollars and Obamacare and all that garbage for emergency treatment, regardless of the patient's citizenship or immigration status. States can also legally build Medicaid programs for illegal immigrants using their own state tax dollars, so long as no federal tax dollars are used. Now, take that argument to your U.S. senators, especially the Democrats, because we have a bipartisan agreement to open the government. We just need 5 more Democrats to do it. But they're holding America hostage. And this is why. Because states like California, they need $1 billion. They want you to pay for it. So yeah, now we know. Newsweek confirms we are paying for health care for illegal aliens. And this is what the Democrats are trying to get back. How's that work for you? Talk to you tomorrow.